Hello everyone. Recently I went to London for 3 days, so I decided to film what I got up to. I caught the 7:26 AM train to London Paddington on Saturday morning. When I got there, I left my suitcase at the hotel and then went to look around. I hadn't been to Marylebone High Street and read about it in a book, so I had a wander around. I went to the Conran shop, Anthropology, and also some good charity shops. Daunt's Bookshop is a specialised travelling books shop, so I went in there and also bought a book. After that, I walked past Selfridges. They had something that looked like a dead green baby goat in the windowsill. I thought that this was quite interesting, but I don't necessarily think that it would make people enter the shop. I walked through Hyde Park and then over to the Chelsea area of London and did some window shopping. I have an under 25s National Trust membership, which is running out in a few months, so I'm keen to go to new properties. I decided to go to Carlyle's house, which is the Chelsea home of a Victorian literary couple. In some rooms it was quite dark when my camera was filming, so I took some brighter photos. I wanted to see what it was like in a home in Chelsea, as I'm quite nosy. One fact I learnt was that the Oxford Dictionary credits Carlyle with the first use of over 500 words and phrases. These include forgettable, outcome, and genetic and open-minded. After this, I went to the cafe called Farm Girl and got some rhubarb and pistachio cake and also tea. The Design Museum had the Home Futures exhibition on, so I paid to go and see that. The exhibition was in partnership with IKEA, and there were various rooms with different themes about homes. I really liked that Nest sofa, because I hadn't seen anything like that. I didn't have time to go upstairs, so I went back to the hotel, and this was my hotel room. It's a single room with an ensuite, 4 minutes away from London Paddington. The next day, it was sunny. I had 3 slices of toast and 2 bowls of cereal for breakfast because it was included in the price. I caught the tube and then the DLR, changing at the Tower of London. It was a Sunday, so not that busy. I travelled over to the ExCeL for the International Food and Drink event. The event is only on every 2 years, and there are over 1,350 trade stands. I went in 2017, so I wanted to go this year too. After that, I caught the DLR and the tube to the Dominion Theatre in London. I attended the 6 PM Hillsong service. They were talking about relationships and being relational to others, rather than focusing on worldly possessions. On the 3rd day, which was a Monday, I travelled to the ExCeL again. The event was on from Sunday to Wednesday, but I went for the first 2 days, as I had another conference on Tuesday, and also 2 days at the International Food and Drink event was enough. I saw some really cool food and drink innovations, tried new foods, and attended several talks. The purpose of the trip was to stay up to date with what is going on in the industry as part of my PhD research. Thank you for watching my video.